Have you heard how simple it can be to create gorgeous weaves like these that you can display in your home? No? Well, then keep watching this video because I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to make a weave like this. Marshmallow Dream. For a weave like this, we use a simple frame loom that just slots together. We use warp string to make our low density warp. You always want to start with a band of structural weave like tabby weave at the bottom. And then one of my most favorite parts is using this roving. It's so squishy and delicious. This is one of the most fun parts, creating the wool roving bubbles. And once you're done, you can just hang it on a dowel and display it in your home. Voila! You can learn to weave with our beginner weaving bundle. It's a bundle that includes all the supplies you'll need to get started and make your first weave, Marshmallow Dreams. Plus, an online course that will walk you step by step through making this pattern. We've had hundreds of women start with our beginner pattern, Marshmallow Dreams. Whoa! Whoa, whoa! Many of these women go on to make amazing weaves like sorbet crush, coral curves, woven meadow, plus many more. If you want to learn more about this, then just find and click the link somewhere around this YouTube video and head to the Clever Poppy shop where you'll see a page like this. Add the bundle to your cart and we'll ship you the supplies and give you a login to your beginner weaving course pronto. I really don't want you to miss out on the joy you can get from creating something with your own hands and the satisfaction from seeing something that you made displayed in your home or given as a gift. We only have limited stock of these bundles, so head on over to the Clever Poppy shop and grab yours today. Just click the link below to grab your weaving bundle. I'm Julie from Clever Poppy and I'll see you soon.